Suppose you are craving for a juicy orange and someone gives you apple. Does it make sense? Absolutely not. This is how machines learn. This mismatch makes us machine learn to predict particular features or patterns. This is termed as machine learning. Then we can see that the features of this apple are red in color, having smooth skin with crisp texture, and this orange is having bright orange with dimpled peels and juicy appearance. So when we input these features to a machine, it can predict the next input is an orange or apple, that we can see in this figure. It is also termed as supervised learning because we are giving some input features to a machine and the machine is able to tell whether it is an apple or orange. It is also supervised learning because a child is learning to tell or learning to study from its parents. If the training is very good, it can adapt well. The next comes deep learning. It is all about learning patterns. For example, the subtle ridges on an orange surface or red hue of an apple. It is termed as deep learning. One real life example is the self-driving car is able to detect the pedestrians in its way, and also we are detecting tumors from X-rays. Last but not the least is the reinforcement learning. In that, an object is interacting with its environment and it is getting either positive feedbacks or negative misses. For example, a self-driving car of Tesla, it is navigating, it is having rewards for nice turns and penalties for misses. So that comes machine learning. It is all about catching a falling orange. That is how we learn to catch a falling orange. That is, it is all about learning from data. That is the field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. That is, we want just an apple or orange. The machine can tell it nice. Thank you.